Hello guys, welcome to the 10th session of the API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this session we will see how to create the webhook using the NodeJS and deploy it on a Google Cloud. For this I am already installed the Node.js and the npm on my system and created a new directory. Here is a file which contains the some basic setting up for the Node.js environment. For this I am going to use the express and the body parser to retrieve the data from the body of the request. I am not Node.js expert, you may know the another way to perform the same operation. Here I am specify that the URL encoding will be the extended. Its length will be the up to 100 KB. And also set limit for the JSON that come in the request. At the end, listen the app. For this we require the port number. Not that you must need to retrieve the port number from the process.m.port for the Google Cloud. However, in the local environment it was not available, so we can use the 8080 for that. Along with this, I am also created the package.json file in which specify the some basic detail about the app and add the dependencies. Our node version must be greater than 4.3.2. Specify the command in the script, add the express in the dependency, and Google Cloud tool in the dev dependency. Let's create a route and retrieve the sum of two number. For that, write app.post/Kelsey. Within that pass the function which take the two parameter. The first will be a request and next will be the response, and retrieve the parameter. For that, write the parameters equal to request.body.result.parameters and check if parameters.num1 not equal undefined and parameters of num2 not equal undefined. Then we are going to perform the operation and generate the speech. For that I am using the backquote. Write the sum of, within the curly braces, specify the parameters of num1 and again curly braces, within that specify the parameters dot num2 is $, curly braces, and here we need to convert those number to the integer before performing the operation. For that write the parseInt. Within that write the parameters dot num1 plus parseInt. Within that passing the num2 and complete the backquote. For the better readability I am break from the here, and then we will return the our response with the status 200, that stands for OK, and send the our response which contain the speech and the display text. So it will be also speech, and call the end method and save it. Our route is created. Now I am going to test in the local environment. For this, open the command prompt Before starting our app, we need to install the dependency packages. For that, write the npm install express and npm install body parser. After installing both, we need to start our application. For that, we need to write the node app.js. You can see that our app is listening on the port number 8080. So let's test it by sending the request from the postman. So change to the http://localhost:8080/Kelsey and send it. Here we got our response. Along with that, we also get the new line and the tab key because we are specified here. We need to remove it, save it, quit, start it again, send it again. We got the proper output. Now we need to deploy it on the Google Cloud. For this, we need to create the app.yaml file. app.yaml. Within that, we just need to specify the runtime. Here, runtime will be the NodeJS, and environment will be the Flex. Save it and clear the command prompt and write GCloud init, reinitialize, use the same account, same project. I'm not going to configure the computer engine, so no. And write GCloud app deploy. And yes, we want to deploy on this URL. Our app is deployed on the Node.js environment. To view the app in the browser, we need to write the GCloud app browse. Here we got the server error. Server encountered the temporary error, could not complete your request. Let's try to open the Kelsey root. Still it give the 502 server error. I don't know what's happening here, but the way for deploying the Node.js app on the Google Cloud is the same. I will make the ticket on the Google Cloud for the same issue and update the video if I got the any solution for that. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First of all, we have created the root in which we retrieve the two number from the request body. For this, we need to use the body parser. Then we have created the message that we want to return and send it with the 200 code. And here is the package.json in which we have specified the dependency details. In the app.yaml file, we have just specified the runtime for the app will be the Node.js and environment is Flex. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.